Hi friends, in this video, we intend to go through the steps of identity verification and document upload at Moneta Markets broker. Together, step by step. When you enter the trading cabin inside the Moneta Markets broker after registering, the following page will open for you, which is related to your personal information that you need to fill out. And after filling it out, we click on the next option. In the second part, we select the type of account we want. And for this option, you click to confirm that you accept all the terms and conditions related to the broker. Then choose the next option. At this stage, you will see a box that says if you intend to deposit into your account, select deposit, and if you want to upload documents and complete your identity verification, click on ID verification. We select this option and complete the identity verification details. After completing the personal information details in this section, we click on Upload Front Side and upload the photo of the identification document we want. And in the second part, we upload the backside of the ID card. Make sure that the photo of the ID card you upload clearly shows all four corners, and that the text on the ID card is visible and the image is clear and high quality. And avoid using black and white photos. The photo should be in color. After uploading the documents, we click on the Submit option. And don't use black and white X, upload X normally. After uploading the documents, we click on the Submit option. Your documents have been successfully uploaded to the Moneta Markets broker and takes between 3 to 10 minutes up to 24 working hours for the broker to verify your documents. Right now, your documents are under review by the broker. The broker will verify your documents. Your documents are currently under review by the broker. After one working day, when you enter the trading cabin, you'll see that your documents are accepted and identity verification is complete. You can click verification to access the same page and confirm this. In upcoming videos, we'll cover depositing and withdrawing at Moneta Markets. Keep in mind that in the profile section, you can click on the verification option to access the same page you are on and see that your documents have been successfully accepted by the broker and your identity verification has been completed. In the next videos, we will go through the process of depositing and withdrawing at Moneta Markets broker step by step. Wishing you success and profitability.